So it's a Monday. I think it's a few minutes to 2. Now is when I'm going for lunch. And this is the first time I've actually done a front camera. So where am I supposed to look at? There. So we're finally here at Zen Gardens for this particular meeting. Here so early, waiting for my client. My client is not yet here, but it's a client for the Urge company and not for my boss. So yes, I hope the meeting is gonna go well. I'm waiting and I'm actually proud of me for keeping time. Hi guys, I'm about to make a serious announcement. Rather, I'm about to take a bold move that I will do next week and I'll let you know then. It's almost 1 and I'm about to leave. I'm going to my friend's graduation in Westlands. So yes, I'm here as usual, very happy. The lighting is not good, but yes, I am here waiting for Trish. She's not yet here. We'll get to meet her then. Trish is finally here. As I said earlier, I was coming for Trish graduation lunch. People, it's like her third time graduating. Can you imagine? So I wonder what some of us are doing in their lives. But here is Trish.
I'm supposed to say something. What am I supposed to say? But yeah, I think one thing that I learned early, like in high school, is a parent who wants to. People can take everything away from you, but they can never take the knowledge that you invest in and choose to have. So it was just advising us about pursuing, our dreams and in terms of academics. So yeah, I think part of that is the reason why I've always had this pride to, if I have a passion in something, pursuing it, earning the degree or the papers that I need, because that's one thing that people can never take away from me.
Hey guys, have you just heard that? Look at my friends. Huh? I wonder who your friends are. They say, show me your friends and I know who you are. So yes, I'm so happy to be here and we're just waiting to eat. Very little. Hi guys, how you doing? So today after work, 1 minute. My camera, it's a bit unstable. Yes, there. So today after work, I'll be going for a book launch at Denmark in Village Market. It's a book launch it's called Kenya Through My Father's Eyes. So the person who's going to launch this book is Salim Amin, who's the son of Mohamed Amin. So for those who don't know Mohamed Amin is was a photographer, like a Kenyan photographer who died on a plane crash. So this book launch is going to be done by Salim and it's called Kenya Through My Father's Eyes. It's I think it's 4 p.m. and I'm just about to leave. Guys are still walking in, so yes, let's see how it goes.
The CameraPix archive is a unique treasure, and some of the best photographers in Africa have passed through our doors. And their images make up a unique collection that all went through my father's eyes.
So much for watching again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this particular video, please just thumbs up, and yeah, see you next week.